Hello, good morning students. How are you all of you? I hope all of you fine. Okay. So, what we done in last class, our both of the chapters which is related to unit test, it is over and we started the revisions of activities. So, today also we will done the revisions of such activities, that activity number 7. Okay, activity number 7, there are what is there in activity number 7? There is a one poem, and the poem is about the crayon box, that is talk. Poem that is about crayon box that talk. Who is the writer of the poem? By Shan De Rolf. Shan De Rolf. SH. The writer of the poem. Which poem? Crayons That Talk. Crayons That Talk. It's a very strange poem. All of you know about that. It's a very strange poem. Then let us see about it. We will learn poem. So in this session, we will just to revise the questions and answers related to the poem. Let us see very first questions. Where was the crayon box and what was it doing? So where was it? Where was it crayon box? So the crayon box was in a toy shop. Where it is? It is at a toy shop. Okay. Then toy shop. And what was it doing? It was expressing dislikes towards each other. Dislike towards each other. Towards to each other. Okay. In the crayon, whenever they are in the box, in the toy store, they are just expressing that dislikes for to each other. It dislikes towards to each other. It is they done. Okay, next question. What colors is hit by which colors? It's hits by everyone. Which colors? Then what is the answer? Orange. What is the answer? Orange color is hit by everyone in the crayon box. Okay, orange color is hit by everyone in the crayon box. Then the next question is that what did the poet do with the crayon box? Okay, what is done by the poet with this crayon box? Then the poet took the crayon box at home. Took crayon box. Took crayon box at home. At home. At home. And laid out all the colors. Laid out all the colors means he emptied the box of crayon and put all the colors outside the box. Okay. What the poets do with the crayon box? And took a crayon box at a home. Took a crayon box at a home with him, and at the home he just emptied the box of crayon and he put all the colors out of the box. So next, what did the colors in the crayon box watch? Okay, when crayon box came to home, when the crayon box came to home of the writer, of the poet. Okay, then what is it done? Then it is done that the sea, that the home of a poet. Every colors are sea, the home of poet. And after, what is the reactions of colors? That what actually do this poet with us? That is noticed by all the crayons, all the colors. Okay, the colors wants the points as he colored the pictures by using all the colors of the, okay, the poet took the crayon box at home. Then what happened? The colors, what the poet as the colors the pictures, okay, whatever they done by the poet writer. Poet is draw one picture, and whatever he done that all the colors he used in his pictures, in his painting. So everything is noticed by the all the colors. Okay, then next, what is the poet do with the green, blue, yellow and white? Okay, green, blue, yellow and white. Okay, then very first green. So with green, what he done? With green, he made a grass. He made a green grass. Then blue, using blue, he make a sky, cloud. Then which color is there? Yellow. Yellow using to make a sun. Yellow is using to make a sunshine. Yellow is used by poets to make a sunshine. Then which colors are remaining? White. Okay. So blue one is also for clouds and white is also used as to paint the clouds. Okay. So this is the green for rain, green grass, blue for sky and cloud, yellow for sunshine and white for the clouds. So that much of colors is used by the painters in his painting whenever he draw the particular pictures. Let me go further. Let me see the next. Okay, then see the next is what happened when the poet finished his pictures and started walking. Then what is actually happened when the poet is finished his paintings, used all the colors and make pictures very beautiful. And after that, what he done? Whatever he done, then he done that he made the colors to understand the by using colors one can complete the pictures. One can complete the picture. Okay. He wants to understand them, the people, that by using all the colors, what we have to do, that after using that much of colors, that we make very beautiful pictures. It is the message of this poem. And at the last, the poets is used all the colors to make very beautiful pictures at the last. And using all the colors, it is complete the pictures. After using all the colors, the complete pictures at the last. I hope all of you understand it. Now, the next questions and the last questions is that what lesson did the crayons learn after watching the poet using them and finally making a complete picture? So, what lesson did the crayons learn after watching the poet using them and finally making a complete picture? So, what is that? The crayons learns that the colors are unique itself. Each and every colors are unique. Each and every colors are their own important, and each and equal importance also, and each and every colors are unique itself. Okay, then and each one has its own importance. Each one has its own importance. Its own important. Its own important. Every colors are unique, and each and every has a equal important. Then all the colors are useful to paint the pictures. Paint the pictures. All the colors are important. In which place? To paint the picture. To paint any pictures. Each and every colors are important to paint any pictures. If it is black, then it's also useful. It's white, then also useful. Orange, blue, black, green, yellow, pink, red, brown, blue, violet. Each and every colors are itself their own important also. See, and unique also, and using to make pictures complete. Okay, so it is the message of our poet that each and every colors is as important. So as the same way, all the men, women who lives in the earth, all creatures are also same equal important. Understood? Let me go further. Let me turn on. Let's have a question answers is one over. Let me go through the MCQs based on MCQs which is based on this poem. So very first MCQs are that the poet found the crayon box. Where the crayon box found by the poet? Where he found? Then toy store. Where he found? Toy store. Okay. The poet found the crayon box at a toy store. Where it found? At a toy store. At a toy store. Okay, very first blank, very first MCQ. Then number second. Yellow said I don't like. That is option is red, green, yellow and blue. What is the answer? Yellow said I don't like. Which color is don't like by the yellow? Then red. Which color? Red. I hope all of you understand it. That we are explaining enough when we learn the poem. So number next. Red was disliked by orange, yellow, green or both B and C. Then both B and C, then yellow and green. Yellow and green. Okay. Then let us see now next. Everyone hated which color everyone is hated? So everyone is hated which color? Number 4, everyone is hated yellow, black, blue or green. Yellow, black, blue or green. So everyone is hated orange. Everyone is hated orange color. Now number 5. In the number 5, what is the question? The meaning of the phrase get along is. Okay, the phrase is get along is. What is the meaning of it? So get along is means to compromise with. To compromise with. What is the meaning of get along? What is the meaning of get along? Get along means to compromise. Get along means to compromise with. Now next, number 6. Who said something here is wrong? Who said that something here is wrong? Then who said this? So black, white, blue or yellow. Who said this? Then blue is said that something is too much bad. Something going on, something is bad. Something is a bad. So next, number 7. The poet used blank for his pictures. What is used by the poets? What is used by the poet in his picture? So see, here poet is used almost all the colors. Poet used almost all the colors. Understood all of you? Almost all the colors. All the colors. Okay? For which purpose? For to make his painting beautiful, to make his paint nice. Colors used by the painters in his painting. All the colors, almost all the colors. No any colors he remained. Black, blue, yellow, orange, red, white, brown, green, blue. Each and every colors is poet used in his painting for making beautiful pictures. Now next, number 8. The poet made blank with green. What is made by the poet? By using the green that we discussed in the question's answer. For grass, all we know that. Grass, then 9. Okay. What is used? Grass. Green color is used by the poet to make green grass. Understood? Then number 9. The poet used blank colors for making the shining sun. The poet used blank color for making the shining sun. All we know that yellow. All we know that yellow. Then number 10. Number 10, number MCQ is there. So the meaning of was through. The meaning of was through is started, completed, processed or progressed. Okay. Was through is meaning that completed. Completed. Okay. The meaning of was through. The meaning of was through is completed. The meaning of was through is completed. Now turn on number 11. Number 11. The crayons at last realized that each one of them was. The crayons at last realized that each one of them was blank, great, important, unique or excellent. What is the answer? The crayon at last realized that each one of them was great, important, unique or excellent. Then answer is unique. Unique. Answer is unique. Means each and every colors are important itself at the particular place, and each and every colors are equally important and unique in that particular place. So this is our divisions of activity number 7. Activity number 7. I hope all of you understand it very well. In the next that we will learn or revision. We will learn revisions of activity number 9 and further is what is that. Okay. I hope all of you reading it, because now the examination is very near. On the 4th of January the exam is going on. So all of you repeat it, and I sent you essays, English essay now in this week. So all of you learn it and read it and try to write itself. Okay, and prepare it for your exam. So now today we will finish this class and let me meet on a next class. Goodbye to all of you.